Well, I got Deadpool out of the garage. This will be the first tow for Deadpool this summer. I got a 30-some foot trailer and truck buried off of Molstad Approach. Well, I'm taking Deadpool down there. They're buried in a four-wheel drive right down to the frame, front and rear. They've been working on trying to get it out. The other people tried to pull it out. I think they gave up. They called their insurance company, so we're heading down there to pop them out. Well, I went off Cranberry Approach, and I'm shooting the last 2 miles on the beach just because there's less traffic. I know it's a deal with a red light downtown Long Beach. Hardly any traffic out here at all right now. This is Friday evening, 29th. We should be there in about 2 minutes. Yeah, they had the guy without Humvee trying to pull him out, and he's lucky he didn't tear his truck up. Right. That's a lot of weight stuck right there. You learn something about trailers. They don't work on the beach. Well, I got to tell you, here's the other thing. You probably didn't take your traction control off. Anytime you're in four-wheel drive, you have to take the traction control off. Otherwise, you bury them. I'm going to dig out a little bit, and then once we get dug out, we'll just winch it right out. Okay?
Yeah, all right.
I think it's on this side. I got a little shovel there. I think. This is the first time this truck's been out in 8 months. We're gonna dig all 4 tires out this way, and it should come right out. Free wheel. Yeah, they had the guy without Humvee tried to pull him out, and he's lucky he didn't tear his truck. That's all. First time this truck's been out in 8 months. All 4 tires out this way, and it should come right out. Any bit, that'll do it. It won't take much. It'll walk right out. Your daughter taking the pictures back here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna.
She's loving it.
Wipe that smile off your face. Hey. Come here. Come here. Do you want to put it on YouTube for me? You want to film it? It's recording it. You can record it pulling it out, okay? You can make comments about your dad too if you like. He goes, she's loving this way too much. Camera point right at that, okay? You're in charge.
Videographer right here.
First time it's done in 9 months, I
trick is take the line. I got a big shot of line in there. Take it between the two window frames and do like a bowline, so it's kind of coming together, tow it that way. But she said don't do it because all it takes is to, you know.
Okay, that'll do her there. Okay, Andy, you got this. Once you stand behind it, make sure it keeps the wheel in the right direction.
Okay.
Get her neutral.
Oh, you don't. Excellent. God, I sure appreciate that.
Andy, I want you to watch the chain here in the back. Make sure we're clear everything, okay?
All right.
I really appreciate this. You know, I called 911 and they referred me to you.
Yeah.
Once we get up there, he's just going to tow me all the way. I shouldn't, but I think you're suddenly free. I'll still just leave her in neutral.
Yeah, just leave her in neutral
Okay, good.
until you're up there on the approach there.
And I'll wait for him to give me the signal.
Yep. And you're
Plus, you
almost
got to get
tight.
unhitched, so
Yeah.
definitely. Okay, thanks.
All right, you got tension. You ready? You want to fire it up?
Good.
You want to start it up so you got power steering?
Stand by, tell him.
Oh, you're fine. Yeah. Turn slight left. Slight, very slight. There you go.
Now I screw it
Oh,
up.
straighten it out a little.
Straight out.
Right turn.
Now that's not straight.
No, you're still pointing to the left.
Am I?
Yeah. There you go. That's
Is that
good.
straight? Is that straight?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
Go slight left. Very slight. Very slight left. A little more left. Left. A little more left.
It's a miracle. God almighty.
You want to give it a little more left?
Okay.
More left turn. Keep it to the left. There you go. You're back on solid ground.